Hello, today I'm going to show you how to test your alternator at your Audi A1 or S1 Sportback. Let's go open the car hood, and what are you going to see is the engine area, as you can see. The alternator is detected if you are standing in front of it on the left side. And on the right side you can see, in my case at my car, there is a battery. The battery is on the right side, the alternator is on the left side if you're in front of the vehicle. So if you have some trouble with your alternator, now you can see this alternator is running and producing some energy for your battery and your car itself. But if you have some problems with your battery, maybe it is a broken alternator. For this test, we only need a multimeter. That is all. Let's go. If the battery is placed at the car under the car hood, under this cover, you can see your battery. If you do not have a battery in front of your car, your battery is in the trunk. But then you have here two poles to get the multimeter in place. That means there is a plus and a minus pole. First step, use your multimeter and dip the wires in the right thing, and that means the right wire is on the right side and the black wire is on the COM port. Then you have to switch the right measuring range. That means go to direct voltage, DC voltage. Then you have two wires. One wire you have to put on the minus pole and one wire you have to put on the plus pole. You have to connect it by using a clamp, or you can use and dip the front spikes on it easily. I will use some crocodile clamps for it because I can work like this easily, and I am going to show you that in a better way. So let's dip now the minus crocodile clamp on the minus pole. The minus pole is detected the black side or the right side of the battery, and the plus pole is the red side or the left side in this case. Now you can see we connected both the minus and the plus pole to our multimeter, and now you can see the direct voltage is 12.69 voltage. This is nice. 12.69 voltage is a good value because your battery, if your battery is now under 10 voltage, you have a broken battery or you have to reload it immediately. So that it is in idle mode, not idle mode, in shut off. The engine is shut off now and rest there for a half hour or 1 hour, for example. Now you can see this is the standard direct voltage, what is in this battery. So let's go into the interior of the car, because we are now going to see what the multimeter is showing us if we are starting the engine. So let's start the engine. Good job. Neutral drive and handbrake pulled, and now we are going to see what direct voltage is in the LCD display, and you can see 14.7 voltage. That means there are 2 voltage more than before. That means this machine will get enough. This alternator will get enough energy into your battery. That means the alternator is working well. This is nice, a nice value. 14 voltage is standard for alternator if this alternator is running. So now let's sit back in the car, and now we are going to accelerate in neutral drive the engine a little bit more, like 3,000, 4,000 rounds per minute, and then if there is the same voltage, as you can see now, we accelerate a little bit, and you can see 14.77. This is good, and this is enough, and you can see that is the same value as before in idle mode of the engine. So this will prove the alternator is running well, and we have no problem with our built-in alternator, and this is a good thing, really nice. And you can see it's easy to test that your alternator is broken or is working well, like mine here. So informations are saved in our brain, that's enough. Now we can unplug the multimeter. Here you can see the voltage is going down if your engine is stopped working, but this is standard, this is normal. It will go down until 12 voltage again. So let's have it clean out a little bit and reassemble everything. So that it is how to test your alternator at your car. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and see you next time again. Soon.